GuardsPro makes guard scheduling convenient by allowing you to schedule and assign shifts to guards based on the pay rate, hours already worked, and overtime. This helps in making sure that all the human and financial resources are allocated properly, and the security guards do not feel overwhelmed or underutilized in the shift allocation. You can assign guards based on the previously mentioned criteria right at the time of scheduling. Click on the Scheduler tab on the main menu and select Schedule from the drop-down. Next, click on the date for which the shift has to be scheduled. On the screen that pops up, you can select one of the existing shifts or create a new shift template that can be used for creating similar shifts in the future. Alternatively, you can also simply click on the Create New Shift button to create a new shift. Now add all the required details. As you select the post site, the list of guards who have been assigned to the post site is displayed, along with the pay rate, scheduled hours, and overtime. Select one or more guards to be assigned the shift. You can also define the breaks, repeat shift frequency, and period. A shift can be created for up to 8 weeks in advance. Once done, click on Publish to publish the shift immediately, or Save to create a vacant shift that can be published later. The guards are notified about the published shifts immediately on the GuardsPro mobile app. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. GuardsPro, #1 security patrol solution.